Hello children, I'm your Deepa ma'am. Today I will teach you English. Use of a and an. Children, you know that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet, which are A, E, I, O and U. Okay? The rest of them are known as consonants. Okay children? Which are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Understood? If the word begins with a vowel sound and if it is singular in number, then we will use their an. Children, as we can see, here is given one picture of umbrella and the spelling starts with U. That's why we are using an here. Let's see another example. And if the word begins with a consonant sound and it is singular in number, then we will use a before that word. Example is a cake, a boy. Let's read this chapter from your English book, Work on Language. All of you open page number 34. On this page, you will see this lesson, use of a and an. Let's read and understand. A. We use a before the words that begin with a consonant sound. The word a denotes singularity. A car, a sandwich, a pot, a laptop, L-A-P lap, T-O-P top, a laptop, a bike, B-I-K-E bike, a bike, a jeep, J-E-E-P jeep, a jeep. After a, we will read an also. An. We use an before the words that begin with a vowel sound. The word an also denotes singularity. An. Let's read it. An, ant, an, ant. Axe, an axe. Insect, insect, an insect. Iglo, igloo, an igloo. Umbrella, umbrella, an umbrella. Egg, an egg. Children, open page number 35. Fill in the blanks with a or an. You will see the spelling very carefully. If that spelling starts with consonant, then you will use a. Okay? Like a lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp, a lamp. Now P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P, once again, this is a consonant, so we will use here a. Next, O-X, ox. Now O is a vowel, so we will use here an. Next is E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now once again, E is a vowel and before a vowel you will write an. Those words which starts with a vowel letter, then we have to use there an, an. Zebra, Z is a consonant, so we will write here a zebra. Next is umpire, umpire. This spelling starts with U, so you will write here an. The next question is connect the pictures with a or an, which is given on the same page, page number 35. This is a picture of a nest and that spelling starts with N. So we will match this picture with a nest. Ink pot starts with I, which is a vowel. So we will match this with an. Kite, K for kite. K is a consonant. You will match this with a kite. Okay. Aeroplane, A for aeroplane. A is a vowel. So you all will match this picture with an. An. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. F is a consonant. So once again we will match this picture with a fish. Okay. Next is elephant, E for elephant. So we will match this with an elephant. Ship, S for ship. So children, S is a consonant and you will match this picture with A. Okay. Owl, the last picture is of owl, O for owl. O is a vowel and we will match this picture with an. So match it with an. Like this you will complete this whole exercise properly. All of you write date, then after that heading, which is U-S-E, use, O-F, off, use of, an. This is your heading, children. Mention it very nicely, neatly. Then after that you will mention C dot W dot classwork. Okay? Like this. Children, after mentioning heading, date, CW, you all will start your work from this line. First of all, we will make a dash, or you can say blank. Then after that we will write the spelling of cup, C-U-P, cup. Once again make a blank and then write the spelling of angel, A-N-G-E-L, angel, blank, spelling T-O-F-F-E, or you can say double E, toffee. See very carefully, you have to make a blank before the spellings. See, this is called blank and you have to make a blank, then write spelling, blank, then write spelling, blank, then write spelling. Okay, after toffee's spelling, we will write spelling of onion, O-N-I-O-N, onion. Okay, blank. Once again, one more blank. And then we will write here the spelling of fan, F-A-N, fan. Next, blank. And then I will write insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, insect. Okay, then once again blank and I will write the spelling of umpire, U-M-P-I-R-E, R E, umpire, not umpire. Okay children, after umpire, the next spelling, first of all blank, then I will write the spelling, which is house. House, house. Okay, after house we will write the spelling of drum. DRUM, and a blank here. Blank, drum. Now once again blank, and then write the spelling. What is the spelling? Now we will write spelling of egg. EGG, egg. Like this you have to write all the spellings with a blank. Very carefully see all of you that you have to write all these spellings along with a blank. First of all you will make blanks, then you will write all these spellings. Now we will start this work. Okay, we have to use a or an, not both of them. Only one we have to use of them. Okay, according to the spelling, first of all you will see the spelling very carefully, and then you will use either a or an. Okay, CUP, cup. This spelling starts with consonant, and before consonant we have to use a, or you can say a. So it will be a cup. Now this spelling starts with a, angel, and before a vowel sound word we will use an angel. Toffee, a toffee. Onion, once again vowel sound word, so we will use here an onion. Fan, a fan, because F is a consonant word. Insect, 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 I. Here vowel sound word it is, so we will write an. After that umpire starts with U. Once again an. Very carefully see this children, that you all have to make this an or an in the blanks only. When you will write these letters or spellings in the blank, you have to write it very nicely. Okay, house. So house spelling is starting with H, which is consonant, so we will write here a, or we will use here a house. Next is drum, so we will use once again a drum. Egg, an egg, an egg. Like this you have to complete this work very nicely. Okay children, let's revise one more time. Date, heading, CW, then blank a spelling, blank a spelling, blank a spelling, blank a spelling. Likewise this work will be done, and then in those blanks you have to write a or an, any one of them according to the spelling. By seeing spelling you have to write a cup, an angel, a toffee, an onion, a fan, an insect, an umpire, a house, a drum, an egg. Like this, very neatly you have to complete this work. Okay children?